When evening shadows fade, I turn to my true love. She has the strength to say the words that I cannot in darkness, our darkness, so heartless is darkness. I'm lost here in the grey, I wait for your returning. I watch firelight play, flames flicker, and yearning for darkness, our darkness, so heartfelt is darkness. Through streets and avenues, will you come back to love? The place for me and you is here with no other. In darkness, our darkness, so heartfelt is darkness. My arms, they open up for you, and where they fall it cuts to where we talk of understanding and talk of love. When evening shadows change, I turn back to true love. She has the strength to say the words that I cannot in darkness, our darkness, so heartfelt, our darkness, so heartless is darkness, our darkness, our darkness. We talk of love. Well, hi there, pluckers. I've Silver Fingers again with you, with hopefully another interesting lesson, somewhat different for you this time. This is a song called Our Darkness from a gentleman called Richard Hawley. Okay, standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as Richard Hawley performs this song and recorded the song, which is the key of A, okay, for those of you who would like to know that. Okay, so nothing else to say about it really. It's chords are fairly simple, apart from the one or two unusual ones, but most of them are fairly straightforward. Okay, so bear with me, I'll be back with you in a second. I'm just going to have a quick liquid refreshment. Right then, boys and girls, I'm back with you, suitably refreshed. So let's get to it. So like I say, the chords in this song are fairly straightforward. There are some bar chords in it, the way I play it. You don't have to use the bar chords, okay? So the introduction, okay, is basically A, C sharp minor, F sharp minor, E, and this rather strange chord, which is quite nice. It's all I'm just playing three notes there. This is I'll come back to that in a second. Okay, so you can play the A exactly. You can play a normal A if you want. I'm playing it up here, so we've got a sort of progression down the neck. Okay, so an A chord, I'm playing it as an F shape on the 5th fret. Okay, and then we've got a C sharp minor So that's that chord. You can play a bar chord if you want to, by all means. I did, but I'm just showing you the simple version. Okay. Okay, so that's 4th fret top E string, 5th fret 2nd string, and 3rd finger and pinky playing the 6th fret of the 4th and 3rd string, 4 downwards. Then we do an F sharp minor. Simple F sharp minor is that, barring the first 3 strings on the 2nd fret, 1st finger, and then the 3rd finger goes up to the 4th fret on the 4th string, the D string, 4 downwards again. So you've got A, C sharp minor, F sharp minor, and then an E chord. Okay, and then this unusual one. Right, this is I think the official name for this is A major flattened 5th with over E flat. So E flat in the bass. Okay, so A major flat 5 stroke slash E flat. Okay, so what all it is, basically, it's a first finger is playing the 1st fret of the 4th string, and then I'm barring, you can use 2 fingers if you want, but I'm barring the 2nd fret of the 3rd string and the 2nd string, the B string. Okay, and all you do is just play those 3 strings, the 4th string, 3rd string and 2nd string. You can either arpeggiate it or you can just strum it like that, or you can, whichever you want to do. So now you've got the intro, which is the A. Or you could just strum it, the first 3 strings, okay? Again, you can play it with bar chords if you want. Okay, and that's your intro, and that's also partly played after each verse as well, okay? So there's 4 verses in this song, and they all play exactly the same way. So once you've got a verse, you've got all of them, okay? So it comes, and after you've done that intro, it goes when evening shadows fall. Right, so again, I'm playing bar chords. You don't have to. You could play the F sharp minor like this, like that, like I just showed you in the intro, and the C sharp minor like I just showed you in the intro. So you've got F sharp minor to C sharp minor. When evening shadows fade, D, turn to my A, true love. Got that? So it's F sharp minor, C sharp minor, however we used to play that, D, that to A. Okay, so it's evening shadows fade, I turn to my true love. Again, repeat the whole thing. She has the strength to say the words that I cannot, and that's your verse, and there's 4 of them, okay? So you play exactly the same. It's two lots of the F sharp minor, C sharp minor, D and A, okay? Then we go to the chorus. Again, the choruses all play the same as well. In darkness, E major, and then to an A, our darkness. Back to E, our heartless. This D, dark A. And that's the chorus, okay? So it's E, in darkness. A, our darkness. So E, heartless. D, our dark A. And when you come back to that A, it's the start of the rundown that you did on the intro. A, C sharp minor, F sharp minor, E, but you don't play the odd chord, that A major flattened 5th over E flat, okay? You don't. That's only played at the intro and at the outro, okay? In between verses, you just, as soon as you hit the E, you go back to the next verse. So what we'll do now is we'll do the intro, we'll do the first verse, the first chorus going into the second verse, and then you'll get the idea. Okay, so here we go, slowly. Intro, A, C sharp minor, F sharp minor, E, it's a peculiar A chord. Verse, when the F sharp minor, C sharp minor, D, I turn to A, to the F sharp minor, C sharp minor, D, the thirds, A, E, chorus, darkness, A to the darkness, back to E, so heartless, now a D to A, this darkness. And that's that progression that you did on the intro. As soon as you hit the A, C sharp minor, F sharp minor, E, and then we go straight to the next verse. Lost here in the grey, I wait for your returning, repeat. I watch firelight play, flames flicker with my own chorus, E, the darkness. Now, after this first chorus, I like to add a little bit to the chorus. It's very simple. When you go into the E chord, you go. Also, all it is an E to E suspended. Put your pinky on the second fret of the third string there. Take it off. Okay, so it's in. So it comes for darkness. Then to the A, our darkness. Then the E with the suspended again. Our heart fell. This D, darkness. Another little rundown, as usual. And then we go into verse 3, exactly the same. Okay? Okay, so it goes through streets and avenue. Will you come back to your lover? The place for you and me is here with no other chorus, as usual, E, suspended verse. Our darkness, so heartfelt, this darkness. Now we go into the bridge section, right? And that's a D chord to start with. My arms they open up for you to an A chord. Where they fall, it cuts the root. Okay, now we go into that funny chord again, the A major flat 5 over E flat. That one again. Okay, so it goes D, arms they open up for you, A. Where they fell, it cuts the root. Now this A flat, and 5th, blah blah blah. We talk of, and then we go to a B7 under D minor 6, standing. And we talk of, and then we go into another instrumental verse. Okay, so that's that. We got that A flat 5th over E flat. We go. We talk of B7 under D minor 6. Now it's D minor 6. Very simple. First finger, first fret, top E string. Second finger, second fret of the third string, the G string. All the other strings, 5 downwards, all the other strings are open. D minor 6. Okay, so you've got this. We talk of understanding, and we talk of, and then we go into an instrumental verse, right? F sharp minor, C sharp minor, etc. Love. There's lots of heavy orchestration on the record. As usual, the same chords as usual. Sharp D and A. And then we go to the chorus, E, A, again, E, and a D to A, and then the rundown. E, and then we off into another verse, as usual, F sharp minor, when evening shadows change, D, da, 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 A, F sharp minor, da, 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 C sharp minor, D, da, da. Right, this is an extended chorus, right, in darkness, E to A, our darkness, again, so heartfelt, back to A, our darkness, E, so heartless. Now we do D to A bit. This darkness, and again our darkness, and finally D in D minor 6. That one again. As we talk of rundown love, and we finish on that A major flat and fifth, the ovary flat. Okay, so the whole last chorus is in darkness, oh darkness, our heart will, oh darkness, so heartless, this darkness. Repeat that bit. Our darkness, D, our love, D minor 6, yes, we talk of rundown love. Just like the intro run, that is, but that finishes on that weird A major flat 5 over E flat. Okay, have you got that? Hopefully you will. Okay, if not, listen to the record or my run through, okay, at the beginning of the lesson there. Hope you enjoyed that. It's really an interesting song, and it sort of grows on you after you start humming it in your head after a while. Can't get rid of it. An earworm, as they call it. Yeah. Well, thanks very much. See you in the next lesson. Quick reminder. Don't forget that if you want to try and find a song, the place to go to is my lesson list. There's just a link to it in the description box of each video that I've got out there now, and it takes you to the full list of over 1950 lessons. Okay, you can search for it. There's a list of lessons. There's 2 tabs at the bottom of the page. One's called Lessons and the other one's called Search. If you go to Lessons, you just see a whole list of songs, and next to them is a link to the lesson. Okay, if you go to Search, there's towards the top of the page you'll see a yellow box, and you can just write in that box anything to do with the song you're looking for. Okay, name of the song, the artist, whatever, part of the title, and press the OK button or the enter button on your machine, and it'll search and it'll come up with any songs in my list that contain anything you've searched for. Okay, so thanks very much for watching, listening, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.